Hello and welcome to Raytec's IFSEC 2010 stand. My name's Sean Cutler and as mentioned the company's Raytec. What we're all about is lighting, infrared and white light. What today's video or this short presentation is about is if you're unable to make it to IFSEC for whatever reason, potentially the volcanic dust that's floating around at the moment, we're just going to do a short presentation about our products, what we're all getting excited about some of the new product launches, and also we'll do a quick introduction to the team. So hopefully a bit of a virtual tour of Raytec stand.
Yeah, hi, I'm just going to talk you through our new product that we're launching at IFSEC. It's a Raylux Urban range, a new range of multi-purpose crossover lighting that were designed to be used not only for CCTV purposes, but also for areas where you need to light up an area for pedestrians, provide a welcoming area for people entering a hotel or a building. It's the first step we've taken to providing not just lighting for the camera but for other things. Has all the benefits of our LED range, so very low power consumption, quick start, good colour rendition, and really it's a chance for our customers to sell lighting for other parts of the system, not just for the camera. Okay, what I'm going to introduce now is one of our most popular demonstrations at IFSEC. It's what we call our green focus. That explains how our LED products are more energy efficient than other bulb technologies on the market. We have our LED unit, a metal halide and a halogen product, all plugged into the same energy meter. If we turn each one on in turn, our white light LED comes on instantly. It produces a very crystal clear, highly directional white light, and the energy meter is showing that at 1 pence per hour in terms of energy consumption. If I show you the metal halide, one of the disadvantages of metal halide is that it takes a good few minutes to warm up. It takes a while to turn on. It can take a few minutes to warm up fully. So for high security environments, that can often take too long to get the lighting up to full level for maximum pictures. And you can see that's consuming 3 pence per hour, so 3 times the cost of the LED unit. Plus, it takes a longer time to start up. Plus, you have maintenance costs and bulb replacement costs. Then if I turn on the halogen, a 300 watt halogen, a very yellow colour, so it's much lower quality for camera performance than the very crystal clear LED white light. You immediately see the yellow light. It throws light every direction, so very wide, very high, so it wastes a lot of the light, and that's using 6 pence per hour to power. So 6 times the cost of the LED, very yellow colour, and it's very inefficient, and it's giving off lots of heat. And anytime you can feel heat, that's basically electrical power being wasted as heat and not as light. Okay, what we're just going to show you now is the front of our booth, some of our core product ranges. So not all of the new products at IFSEC, but really what makes up the core of our product line. On the red panel we have our Raymax range, our IR lighting range, all with adjustable angle illumination. Angles from 0 to 180 degrees and distances anywhere up to 370 meters. So any IR needed for covert surveillance. On the blue panel we have our Raylux range of white light illuminators. They give a very visible, high power white light beam. They look different from the infrared. They're all silver, whereas the infrared units are all black. Again, angles up to 180 degrees and distances up to 200 meters. Our Fusion range is our range of low voltage illuminators, so designed to be powered from 12 or 24 volts. They have no separate power supply, so installation is much easier because you only install one device rather than two, much quicker, and it's also much safer because you're only handling low voltage. Available in both infrared, again the black panels, or in white light, which is the silver panels. And effectively the fourth leg of our core product line, we have infrared, white light, low voltage, and we also have our Voyager range of number plate capture cameras. We have the Voyager 2 Lite, which can see number plates up to a distance of 18 meters, 24 hours a day, during day and night, whether it's peak sunlight conditions or zero lux nighttime conditions. We also have our Voyager 2, which can cover up to 50 meters, infrared positioned either side, and it is available with a number plate camera and also an optional overview camera if you want to see the colour of the vehicle, make of the vehicle, more details like that. This little display is about our Warrior 2 range of explosion protected illuminators, designed to provide lighting in hazardous environments such as oil and gas, applications. It means that if there is a spark or any kind of electrical flare inside the unit, it won't ignite any hazardous gases outside the unit. Just released, available in both white light and infrared versions. Fully concealed and protected inside the unit. Fully rated for ATEX and EX environments. And I think we're the only people in the world that provide such a comprehensive range of LED explosion protected units. Okay, this demonstration's on our Pro Series PSU, which was nominated for a IFSEC finalist for Best New CCTV Product. It has some advanced features that we don't have in our current range. If I show you our Ecologic setting, you basically have a 50% setting on your light. It allows you to save 50% of your consumption, but still achieve 70% of your distance. It allows you to get enough to see a picture, but not premium picture quality. When an intruder enters an area, you flick the Ecologic setting, it goes from 50% to 100% power, and you get premium levels of video quality. The Pro power supply also features a deterrent setting. So if an intruder enters a secure area, you can give them a visible white light flashed warning that they're entered a secure area. It has a timer function, so you can turn the light on for a period of time. And we also have remote dimming control. So you can see if I turn the dimmer down, it turns the light down. If I stop it, I can turn the power back up and set the light to a level that I'm happy with. So this, for the first time, gives users remote adjustability of the light level. That is the Pro IQ module. We also have the Pro Pulse module, which is designed to pulse lights for number plate applications and machine vision applications. This light here is a very fast pulsing white light. If you see, compared to the constant white light, it actually looks a little bit darker than the constant white light. And the advantage of that is it's designed that it won't distract drivers so much as the constant white light. It's less visible to drivers, but it's actually twice the power output that this is for the camera. So it's actually producing higher power output for shorter periods of times. If you look at the oscilloscope here, you have a yellow line here that tells you when the camera is refreshing. The blue line tells you when the light is pulsing. So the camera refreshes, the white light pulses its power output for that period of time. Here, here, and here, it's matching the pulse synchronization with the camera to provide lighting for the camera. This pulse, it has no camera effect. This pulse has no camera effect. And we put those pulses in so the light looks like a constant illuminated light to the human eye. If I take out those infill pulses, so the blue infill pulses have gone, suddenly the light looks like it's flickering, which is no good, because if you have that for drivers, it can obviously distract the driver. I put the infill pulse back in. Straight away on the oscilloscope, you can see the infill pulse is back in. It looks like a constant light, but you can tell it's not fully constant, because compared to the true constant illuminator, it's much darker. So with the new Pro Series power supply, you have increased adjustability for dimming, deterrent. You also have an option for a pulse power supply, which will auto-sense PAL or NTSC cameras, digital or analog cameras, and allow you to use with white light or infrared. Thank you for taking the virtual tour of the Raytec stand at IFSEC 2010. If anyone would like to see further information about our products, please visit the Raytec website at www.rayteccctv.com.